In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change where new apps or games are installed on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the system tile and then select storage on the left panel here. And then on the right side, there should be something that says change where new content is saved underneath more storage settings. So you might have to just scroll down a little bit, select that, and then you can select where you want new apps to be saved by clicking the drop down and select any external hard drives or other drives that you see in the list here. I only have one drive on my system. That's why there is only one option to install new content, but you guys get the point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.